So in this class we are seeing for class 9 ICSE syllabus maths exercise 1C question number 9. You are given x. You have to find 1 by x, x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x the whole square. So 1 by x, taking the conjugate, then usual step a plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared. So 2 into root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square is simply 3. Similarly, root 2 whole square is nothing but 2. So in the denominator you are finding 4 and this is the numerator, 2 table common. So 2 here 2. So root 3 minus root 2 by 2. Then this one over x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x x plus 1 by x means already we have found 1 by x. X is here and this is 1 by x. Now take the LCM of this. So this is x and this is 1 by x. X plus 1 by x. Now cross multiply. You take the LCM. LCM is 2, cross multiply. This step you are getting. So for 4 root 3 plus root 3, 5 root 3, 4 root 2 la root 2 separate panna 3 root 2. So this is the answer for this. So this one over. Next x plus 1 by x the whole square. You make the square of this. So 2 squared is 4, a squared plus b squared 2ab. 5 squared 25, root 3 squared is 3, 3 squared 9, root 2 squared 2. Then 2ab 30 root 6. Now adding, you are getting 93 plus 30 root 6 by 4. So this is the answer for this.